Hey, what's up, y'all? So, back again. I got another, this is gonna be a delicious ass dinner. So I got some Pikliz. I have some griot. I have curry chicken. Of course, I got my avocado. And then I have that leftover steak that I made last night. And then, of course, I have my salad. The protein, bruh, I got everything. This Pikliz is fire. It's spicy. Oh my God. It's spicy. It's so good. Curry chicken. My food. That's griot. If you know what griot is, it's like a Haitian pork. It's fried. This is a curry chicken. Eat. And sometimes, like, you know, on TikTok, and every time, I don't know if it's because I'm a content creator, but bro, it's that For You page, it's always just like, oh, push out this, push out that. Oh, they want to see you do this. Keep doing this, keep doing that. I'm just like, bro, shut the fuck up. That shit don't work, you know? I feel like content creating can open a lot of doors for you. Close a lot of doors too, shit. Thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all.